goes there.
Okay.
Nope.
And we're back.
She's back. He's back. Back up home. Back up home.
Okay, let me see it put together. Yay, yay. Oh, we got another piece there. We're just cruising right along.
Yeah. There goes. Nope.
Wow. Okay.
Maybe that goes there, Tom. Maybe.
That's what she's got so far.
Come here. Then go for that one. Now let's do it again. Let's take a picture of Kisa. Take a picture of Kisa.
Right now we're taking a picture of you doing your puzzle, okay? Okay, let me see. Remember, if we do this puzzle, we'll get a lollipop.
Okay. I better go get lollipop.
Yep.
And do my puzzle.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
I'm gonna say tired.
No, you're not.
Take a nap.
Where does that one go, Adari? I think that one goes near the cloud. Not that one, the other one. The other one that you just had in your hand. That one right there.
Huh?
That your knee is on. Nope, not that one. Nope. That one right there on your under your knee. Yep, that one right there. Where does that go?
Up.
And she just farted for you folks.
There goes still.
Does that go there?
Yeah.
No, I don't think that goes there yet. Maybe that one goes there, yeah. Does that go there?
Maybe.
Yeah, that does. Good job. There's one behind you, too. Where's the one behind you?
I
Where-
found it.
Where does that one go?
And that one. Where is it? This is Tipper. That one. I found that one.
Okay, good job.
Oh, I found that one.
So is this a promotional video, Adari, so that Mimi will buy you some more puzzles?
Yeah.
Say, Mimi,
Amy.
you could go to barnesandnoble.com.
.com.
That's right. Here's some of your other pieces. Let me move them over for you. Here's some of the pieces.
There goes still, Mom. This some another pieces. And this piece is big piece with. And this big piece. This goes here, Mom.
I don't know. I don't think that does, but keep looking.
It goes still.
I don't know. Look for grab another piece. Where's the
Okay.
foot to the guy?
There.
No, I don't think that goes there. Where's the foot to the guy? Where's his foot?
There's that foot. There's that foot.
No, I think that goes on the other end.
Down. Other one.
What about, let's see down here. Is there one with a foot on it? Oh, what's that one?
There.
Yeah.
That one. That one. I found it. Yeah. Looks up at this shoe. Where is it?
I don't know. Pick up another piece.
Okay. This goes here. This goes there. Maybe.
Does it go there?
Yes!
Why don't you put some of the fire truck together?
Yeah. There's another piece. My baba.
All right, and we're going to get another video in a second here.